These 4 people may not look alike, but they all have the same problem: sleep apnea. They aren't getting the restful sleep they need to be at their best. In fact, nearly 25% of the population suffers from sleep apnea, and millions of them go undiagnosed. Untreated, sleep apnea increases your risk of causing an accident and can cause health problems such as high blood pressure, heart attacks, stroke, and diabetes. Could you have sleep apnea? There are different treatment options for sleep apnea, such as continuous positive airway pressure, better known as CPAP, prescribed by your doctor, and oral appliance therapy that is provided by a qualified dentist. Oral appliance therapy is well accepted and preferred by many patients, but it doesn't work for everyone. Don't let another sleepless night go by. Get a Matrix Plus test. Matrix Plus is a simple, overnight sleep test that you take in the comfort of your own home. This test will help you find out if you have sleep apnea and if it can be effectively treated with an oral appliance. Take the first steps towards improving your sleep and your health with Matrix Plus. Talk to us about how you can have a better night's sleep.